If you've ever wondered why you're not seeing someone's stories on Instagram or suspect that someone may be intentionally hiding them from you, this video is for you. I'll show you how to find out if someone is hiding their Instagram story from you, so without wasting your time, let's start. Let's open the Instagram app on our device, and I'll search for my other Instagram profile. This is my other profile and I've added a story a couple of minutes ago. But as you can see, I can't see the story that I've added because I've hidden it from this profile. Now if you want to find out if someone is hiding a story from you, then there is a thing which you can do to find out. You will have to create another Instagram profile or log into another profile if you have it already. So tap on the three lines. Then Settings and Privacy, and you want to scroll down until you can see this Add Account button. Click on it, and you can see the option to log into an existing account or create a new one. Go through the steps and create an account if you don't have a secondary one. But I do, so I'll just switch to my other account. And when I switch, I'll simply search for my primary account. And here it is. When I tap on his profile picture, I can see that this account indeed has a story. This means that this profile hid the story from the first account that we were on. And that's how you can find out if someone hides their story from you. But if this is a private account, then you need to follow the person or find someone who already follows them and ask them to open the profile and see if they've shared something on their profile. So if this video was helpful and you were able to see if someone hides their story from you, then leave a like on this video and I'll see you in the next one.